Okay, welcome here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Grand Bend, Ontario. We're at a trailer park. We are going to do a different thing. We're going to be re-roofing a trailer system now. So the client has tried to repair the roof, so he's put a paint applied coating on. So we're going to clean it, get it prepped and ready. We're going to prime it, put metal flashing around the edges, and put a granular cap sheet. So the roof system basically is already laid in place, but it does leak in places, so we're going to put a new granular cap sheet. We have an air conditioner, a couple vents. We have a drip flashing here, as well as a stick out system. So we got some metal flashing to do around the outside and tie in the stick out with the base, with the main trailer, because that's where he's getting a lot of his leaks at, the different elevation changes. So we're going to re-roof that. We're going to prime it, clean it, show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We're probably a good 3/4 way through the job. We primed the roof, cleaned it up, got it ready for the cap sheet. We put a drip flashing at this elevation change. So now it's fully enclosed. It's a monolithic system. We have water shedding the proper way over and onto the lower roof, which is properly shedding onto the trough on the other side. So here we go. We're cutting around the bathroom vent. We have an AC unit here we're cutting around. And then we're going to put a single ply all sand layer on the overhang, on the canopy on the other side. So show what it looks like. Just wanted to show you part way through. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We finished the job. I think the client's going to be thrilled. It really did turn out nice. Nice detailing, nice crisp, clean lines. We got the AC unit roofed in. Maybe there's a kitchen vent or washroom vent, and we got a couple washroom vents back there. So we'll just kind of go through the details. We have one overhang. This is an exterior space, so this isn't insulated underneath. They have a deck with a fly screen around it. It's a bit lower. I don't know if the camera can catch it. We have a polyurethane membrane we apply on. So that gives it a tie-in to this, so water doesn't tuck back in. We have another elevation change here. This is a permanent stick out. They have bedrooms and kitchen stuff underneath, so this is always out. There's no need to open and close it, accordion style. So we have a nice detail metal flashing drip coming down, and there's no break in the roof membrane now. It takes you right to the eaves trough on the end. So there you go. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're in the southwestern Ontario area. We'd love to hear from you if you'd like us to come take a look, whether you have an assessment or a flat roof for us to come take a look at. Thank you so much.